Cardano is right now at this very interesting area, and the chance that we could see a massive explosion is there. In this video I will talk about Cardano and share the potential price entry to get into a potential long trade, and I will share the next potential interesting price targets and the long-term price targets for this bull run. So let's go straight into the content. So first of all, Cardano is right now on place 9 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $21 billion. The coin is existent since 2017 and we saw the all-time high in 2021. And now after this longer bearish continuation and after this longer consolidation, we now saw the first really bullish sign as we broke out of this supply zone, because this supply zone is technically strong because we saw this move to lower levels, we saw this downtrend all the way, and lately we came into the supply zone, saw the first bearish reaction, and then we started to broke out of the supply zone. So this is the first really bullish sign on the weekly time frame, and now the chance is high that we could see even higher prices, because on the daily time frame we are clearly in a bullish trend with higher highs and higher lows, and after we broke out of the supply zone and made this higher highs, we just came back into this demand zone. This demand zone was the start of this push to the upside. We broke the supply zone from this demand zone and we saw support multiple times. And right now for the first time we came under this demand zone with this wicks right here. And the chance that we have many stop loss orders and liquidity resting under this lows is very high. And right now we are seeing this bullish price action because the candle closed like this with this wick under this lows and closed bearish. And the daily candle today is just wicking under this wicks right here and now going to the upside. And if this candle closes like this or even higher, so if we're getting a bullish engulfing candle right here, then the chance is high that we could continue the trade to the upside. And if we are now seeing a move to the upside and breaking this last high right here at 68 cents, then the chance is high that we could see a bullish order flow shift and a bullish move to the upside again. As well as we have a look at the liquidation heat map, you can see that we have a lot of liquidity right here resting at 68 cents. So we have a lot of liquidity right here over this highs. So either if you're on a sideline right now at Cardano or if you want to buy some more coins, then I think this area is a great chance to buy some coins or get into a long position. And if you want to get daily updates on a crypto market or altcoins like Cardano, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So as I said, I think the chance is very high that you could see even higher prices and continue the bullish trend to the upside. And if we are also breaking this last high right here to the upside, then the next really interesting price target is this high right here at $1.24. And if we're also breaking this one to the upside and find acceptance over here, then the next really major resistance is this high right here at $2.37. And also if we have a look at the Fibonacci retracement tool from the swing high to the swing low, you can see that we have a Fibonacci retracement right here at this high, a bit above over this high, and that we will get major resistance in this area at the 0.618 and the 0.786 Fibonacci. But if we are breaking this one also to the upside, then of course the last really interesting price target is the all-time high. And just from the prices right now to the all-time high, we would have potential over 400%, which is really great for a big coin like Cardano. But the best coins in the bull run are also exploding over the last all-time high. And I think Cardano has the potential to reach even higher prices. And with the Fibonacci retracement tool, we are getting this potential price targets. And if we have a look at the 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $4.88. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have potential over 700%. And if we would reach the 2.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $7.76. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have a potential over 1,213%. And I think this would be an amazing deal for Cardano. I think this kind of price target is realistic for this bull run, because I think Cardano is a great project with a very high potential. And especially if we have a look at the total crypto market cap of the altcoins, we have a lot of potential to the last all-time high. And especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the chances are that we could see even higher prices, especially if large institutions and many retailers are coming into the market. And if just a small percentage flows into Cardano, the chance that we could see even higher prices is there. Of course, guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. But I think this kind of price targets are very realistic for the next bull run. And if we would reach this potential price targets, I would take some profits, and also on the way to the top if we're breaking the last all-time high. And of course, it's very important that you have a good strategy and that you have good coins in your portfolio and that you just invest money what you can lose and what you're expecting to lose. So please keep this in mind, guys. But as I said, I think Cardano will be one of the best performing altcoins in this cycle. And if we have a look at the prices again, you can see that we have a great chance to get into Cardano, because as I said, we are in a clear bullish trend and the overall market cap of the cryptos is going to the upside. So the chance that we could see a massive explosion in the near future is here. And also if we have a look at the Fibonacci retracement tool from the swing low to the swing high, you can see that we first reacted at a 0.618 Fibonacci. And again, if we are closing like this or even higher, then I think the chance is high that we could see massive higher prices from this price right here. And of course, it's very important that we are breaking this last high to the upside. And if you want to buy or trade Cardano, you can do this on BingX. BingX has a large variety of different cryptocurrencies, and if you're using my link, you get up to $5,150 bonus. You will find a link in the description. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.